Hello everyone, we'll be making a cute little bunny using the white paper. Take a paper and roll it as we are rolling, then fold it and fix it using a rubber band. Now make its eyes, nose. Now color its ears using a pink color and it's ready. Next, we'll be making different designs and patterns on the leaf. With yellow and blue color and color the leaf. Draw pink patterns on it, draw white dots on it and it's ready. Now second leaf we will color it with blue color, draw white snowflakes on it. In the same way we will fill different colors and make different patterns on the leaves of our choice and it's ready. We will be decorating the shell using different colors and multiple patterns. Color the shell in the same way as we are doing in this video. Use different colors of your choice as well. Put white dots on the shell as we are drawing and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute snowman. Take a bottle cap, fill it with clay. Now draw two circles and cut them out. Make its hat, draw its eyes, make its hand. Stick the snowman on the cap and it's ready. Thanks for watching.